Okay, girls, let's try this again. So I made out the answers this time. Might get through it faster before the video conks out. Right. So I'm back to this question. The Central Statistics Office. There were 65,909 babies born. Of these, 32,290 were girls. How many boys were born in Ireland? Well, the boys basically is your total minus the girls, so you end up with 33,619. That should be okay. Now we're moving on to the probability. Find the probability that a baby picked from those born in Ireland is a boy. So write out the question. P boy is equal to your total number of boys over the total number of babies altogether. Break it down, 0.51. The next question. 8 babies were born in Limerick's maternity hospital, etc. Right, find the probability that the first 3 babies born were boys. So the first 3 babies were boys. So we're looking for a boy and a boy and a boy. Probability of a boy we've discovered is 0.51. And multiply 0.51 and 0.51, it works out at 0.1327. Next question, it's like the Bernoulli trial. Find the probability that the third birth was the first girl born in the hospital. And don't forget 4 different places. So the third birth. So in other words, the first, the second, and the third. So the first was a boy, the second was a boy, the third birth was a girl. Now the probability of his boy is 0.51, multiplied by a boy 0.51, multiplied by probability of a girl, and that was basically 1 minus 0.51. That's where the 0.49 came from. Get out your calculator, multiply all those out, and you should have 0.1275. Okay. Part C. What have we here? The probability of being born on a particular day of the week, whether it's Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, etc. They have some of the table filled in for you. As you should know, the total is always equal to 1. So basically, I added all those up and I took it away from 1 and you get 0.16. Now, what do you estimate or expect to be born on a Tuesday if there were 1,300 babies? It's 1,300 multiplied by the probability of a Tuesday. You'd expect out of the 1,300 that 208 of those babies would be born on a Tuesday. Okay? Now, I haven't done arrangements with you yet, but I said I'd go through this question and tomorrow I'll give you a few more notes on it. But basically arrangements are also called permutations. Sometimes you may see it written down as factorial, but simply what I use for arrangements, if you see the word arrangements, I make out my boxes. The word is rainbow and they want to arrange rainbow. So there are 7 letters in rainbow, so I make out 7 boxes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 letters. 7. There are 7 ways of arranging a letter in that box. Once I have a letter gone in there, that leaves me with 6 letters. I have 6 options of arranging the letters in here. Once I have those 2 boxes filled, I then have 5 other letters that could go in here. Once I have that box filled, I have 4 letters left, etc, etc. So, lay out the boxes. It's 7 and 6 and 5 and 4 and 3 and 2 and 1. And means you multiply, so I end up with 5,040. But I'll do more on arrangements tomorrow. Suppose then they only wanted 3 letters in the arrangements. I then just make out 3 boxes. I can only have 3 boxes. So in the first box I have 7 letters. There's 7 different